Uh, and it's still raining. Oh no, it's still raining outside. So I think I'm stuck at MBK for a while. So let's find something to do. What should it be? What should it be? I got a crazy idea, but this is gonna be so insane and it's gonna be so fun. I believe so. I got a raincoat and a plastic bag to cover my shoe because I cannot sacrifice my shoe for this, but I can sacrifice my sock. I'm ready now. Without my shoe. So let's go to my door. I'm in the middle of the rain. Fighting my life to get to the door. This is so fun, guys. We should try this. You know what? My phone storage is full, so I'm not quite sure will I get the first taste. I have a shotgun. This is so fun! Oh my god! I'm yapping for a while, but I paused the video, so I don't know what I was talking about. It didn't include in the video, so I'll tell you one more time. I running in the middle of rain remind me of when I was a kid, when I was little, and I have a so simple happiness, just like playing in a rain. And my mom will yell at me every time that I'm doing this because she would just care about me, don't want me to get sick. But mom, rain is cool. I have to take some medicine after this. I made it to the dome bus, but not at my building yet, so we have to keep moving on. Almost there.